In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dazzling design using glitter textures in Canva. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the magic of sparkling creativity right at your fingertips. First things first, open your web browser and navigate over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your existing Canva account, or if you're new to Canva, go ahead and create an account. It's quick and effortless. After you're in, it's time for you to unleash your creativity. We're going to create a new design. All you have to do is click on the Create a Design button. You'll notice a variety of options like Instagram post, presentation, and more. Choose any size that suits your project or preference. Once your blank canvas appears, the fun truly begins. Head on over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Elements tab. This is where Canva hides its treasure trove of graphics, so it's a great place to let your imagination run wild. Now type glitter texture, glitter gold, rundown, or glitter background into the search bar at the top of the Elements section. Hit enter and behold a collection of shiny and sparkly elements appearing right in front of you. Explore through these options and pick a glitter image or texture that complements your design idea. Remember, the one you choose will be the star of your design, adding a touch of elegance and sparkle to your creation. Now that you've picked the perfect glitter texture, let's give your design a bit of flair with some letter frames. Go back up to the element search bar and type in letter frames. Just like before, a wide variety of letters specifically designed to frame your creative elements will appear. Choose the letters you need to spell out whatever message or word you want. Each letter will act as a window into which you can place your chosen glitter. With your selected letters on the canvas, the real transformation takes place. Take the glitter texture you picked earlier and slowly drag it over each letter on the canvas. You'll notice once you hover the glitter texture directly over a letter, it snaps into place inside the letter's frame. Repeat the process for each letter until they're all adorned with the beautiful glitter you selected. Once you're satisfied, step back and admire how these steps have turned your design into a shimmering masterpiece, full of brilliance and personal flair. If you're ready to finalize and share your work, click on the download button at the top right and save your new glitter design in your choice of format. And there you go. Now you know how to create an eye-catching, glitter-infused design in Canva, perfect for adding a bit of sparkle to any project. Thank you so much for watching, and happy designing!